Okay, we've got some breaking news that's coming in at the top of this hour. VHP's big statement on Ram Mandir issue. Vishwa Hindu Parishad's working president Alok Kumar has said that if the Congress includes Ram Temple in their manifesto, then the VHP will consider backing the Congress. VHP's statement comes less than 10 days before its two-day-long Dharam Sansad in Prayagraj. So that is the big statement which is now coming in from the VHP's working president Alok Kumar, who said that if the Congress is willing to include the Ram Temple issue in its manifesto for election 2019, then the VHP will be ready to in fact support the Congress in these elections. Listen in to what Alok Kumar said.
ये देखना होगा कि लोकतंत्र के लिए, देश के लिए कौन सी पार्टी सबसे अनुकूल है। कांग्रेस घोषणा पत्र में शामिल करे कि मंदिर बनाएंगे, तो उसके बारे में भी विचार करेंगे। उसने जो प्रतिबंध लगाया है कि संघ के स्वयंसेवक कांग्रेस में नहीं जा सकते, उस प्रतिबंध को वापस ले, केवल जनेऊ पहनने से नहीं होगा।
Right, my colleague Nilanshu Shukla in fact now joins me on the phone line. Nilanshu, this is a big statement which is coming in from the VHP, definitely trying to mount pressure on the Bharatiya Janata Party to try and fulfill its commitment towards its Hindu vote bank. Now the VHP is saying we will support the Congress if the Congress supports the Ram Temple movement.
Well, this is absolutely right, Paulami. This is a pressure tactics by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad to escalate pressure the Narendra Modi government for Ram Temple construction ahead of the Dharam Sansad, because in the Dharam Sansad more than 5,000 saints have been called, and in a 3-day internal meeting that has been conducted by VHP, it has been discussed that the BJP is not going to fulfill the promise of Ram Temple construction in this regime, because the top leaders of the BJP, including Prime Minister himself, has made it clear that ordinance cannot be brought for Ram Mandir construction before the Supreme Court's verdict. And the saints who are in touch with VHP are clearly demanding a law for the Ram Temple construction. So somewhere this is a pressure tactics by the VHP to escalate pressure on this government, because the RSS number 2, Bhaiyaji Joshi's recent statement that Ram Mandir would be constructed in 2025 is also being seen as a jolt to the Ram Mandir push, and he was also called for a meeting VHP members here in Prayagraj. So clearly this is a pressure tactic to build pressure on the government ahead of the Dharam Sansad, and to keep on creating push for the Ram Temple construction.
Absolutely. Nilanshu, thank you so much for joining us. Now let's listen in again to what VHP working president Alok Kumar said.
ये देखना होगा कि लोकतंत्र के लिए, देश के लिए कौन सी पार्टी सबसे अनुकूल है। कांग्रेस घोषणा पत्र में शामिल करे कि मंदिर बनाएंगे, तो उसके बारे में भी विचार करेंगे। उसने जो प्रतिबंध लगाया है कि संघ के स्वयंसेवक कांग्रेस में नहीं जा सकते, उस प्रतिबंध को वापस ले, केवल जनेऊ पहनने से।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.